I think Steve might think I'm joking. You might think I'm joking, but birds are not real. They're literally here. Let me read you some. Like, you want a pamphlet?
Yeah, go ahead.
Birds are not real. All right, birds aren't real. Okay. Hold on, let me pull up the. You know the Emu War? It was a war to
the
fight
Australian.
government drones to get the regular birds to. In the U.S., it's illegal to hunt geese with more than 3 shells in a shotgun. It's also illegal to hunt migratory birds with a machine gun. See? Birds aren't real. Yeah, I believe in birds. No, I effing don't. I wish I was up there then. Ah! Jump on the plate. Jump on the bridge. No. Oh, yes. I'm with the infidels. Charlie Sheen, you know? Should we get on that tree? No, under this tree. Above on this tree. Or we could be on the bridge right here. Yeah, bridge right here. This bridge won't move unless... Yeah, it won't move really. And this is not a plate, so we can't get damaged. Your plate's merging. Here's a video. I can't really send the video because I don't know how to send videos in Discord. But this bird's charging port was revealed, and then it got angry. See? Government drone charging port. There was a picture of this bird that got on the light post and it turned on. That's because because it was charging, you know. It'd be really funny if the person who owned this plate just jumped off and died. Wait, is he actually? Yeah, he's thinking about it too. He's thinking about it too. Oh, let me just get off this guy's crazy. Look at him. Uh-oh. Oh, God. Well, I'll watch for it and see where it's heading. It's heading straight down. We need to run. Get on the bridge, get on the bridge, get on the bridge, get on the... Oh, you're already over here. Are we gonna survive?
Are they all on the same one?
Yeah.
We're on the bridge.
Steven, continue my thing about birds. They aren't real.
I seriously don't believe that you seriously believe that.
It's shocking, but there's truth to it. Birds
Okay.
aren't real.
Explain.
Why do you think birds are real?
Because they've been proven by nature? They've been proven by science?
Birds can be,
What, do they keep sample birds around to show people just in case?
Oh my God, you serious? Is that
That
how it
was
ended?
such BS.
Is that how it ended, really? Oh, and there's just some random dude just bouncing around. Oh my God, whose play is that? Frick. No. Here, let me look up some government drone facts. Birds aren't. Birds.
Okay, Dylan, if you're gonna keep up with this, you can't be in the call with us, man.
Birds aren't real, Steven.
Seriously don't believe you.
Birds used to be very real. Then the CIA decided to replace the birds in 1946. Slowly but surely, the forced extinction process began. The U.S. government murdering all the real birds. The last real bird died in 2001. Stay woke, y'all. These drones are used to spy on the American people under the guise of what is believed to be birds. These government surveillance drones are able to watch over the American people and portray their lives of the innocent.
Okay.
Oh, look at me, I'm up top.
Hold up, I'll be back.
Oh my God. Leaves the second it starts. Where are you at? Oh, you're down where? Up under where? Even in the game? Oh, you're not. You didn't go into the. You didn't go. Did you not go in? Did you not go into the? Oh my god. Because for a second there, I was like.
Instead of hearing music, you hear this.
Did you hear that? Then stay hearing music. I like the pig from that children movie said, "I don't want to die." Bohemian Rhapsody. This is basically what PewDiePie's viewers are like. Potty pie. Oh wait, potty pie. Did I make that jump? Spectating me.